First start your PC and press the power button while it tries to load Windows to force it to shut down. Do this 3 times in a row to get the automatic repair screen. You could also disconnect it from the outlet. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. Select your account. Type in your password. If you don't have one, just press Continue. Now wait for Windows 10 to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Now type bootrec/fix mbr and then press Enter. Type bootrec/fixboot and then press Enter. If you get access denied, type the following command and then try again. Type bootrec/fixboot and then press Enter. Type bcd edit/export c/bidbackup and then press Enter. Type attrib/boot/bcd-h-r-s and then press Enter. Type renc/boot/bcd-bcd.old and then press Enter. Type bootrec/rebuild bcd and then press Enter. Type Y and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Continue to restart.